Above.
Above is the opposite of below.
Oh.
Oh. But below, the uppermost part,
Ah,
ay lowermost part. Lowermost part of the meaning.
no, it's not.
Oh. Below. It means you go.
Do you understand the
No,
word
no
that's coming
hitting
out of
below
my
the
mouth?
belt. What's the meaning of that? No hitting below the belt. Belt.
Bird.
No hitting
Place
below.
of bird.
No hitting below the
Birthday.
belt. Oh. What's the meaning of that? No hitting below the belt.
Oh, no hitting above the belt.
No, it means below. This is what you're talking about. Oi, this is what you're talking about. Andrew,
I know, what are you talking about?
this is what you're talking about.
I know.
Look at this. Look at this. This is what you're talking about. And then below is this.
Oh.
Sa penis, right? Oh. Below. Below. It means under.
Under.
Let's say you are under
Below sea level. Hindi ako sinabing below sea level.
So,
Yung sing instructor ka.
tractor.
Sa below sea level. Itang may idea ka niyang fourth year.
So, it means
Oy, sigwa.
tractor.
Below sea level. Kaya na itong...
Kami buong section. Kaya may
Oh.
ang last
So,
requirement.
Andrew, it means picture the higher than that of
250.
instructor.
Wow. Uling ba? Wow, yak may
I know. Anyone can track, but the teacher... I just want to know you that the teacher is only teacher have professor.
You can teach any person.
No anyone can teach it rather than the teacher.
I teach you.
Rather than the teacher.
Can you
Be
put that
specific.
Can you put that mic?
Be specific to the point. Be specific to the point that we're talking about. We're not talking about this guy.
No, but I can only base that on.
Don't base it on the knife that you're talking about. We're talking about in school.
Example, what? I'm holding a book. Example, it's a book.
And then you tell me that I told you that I put that book there. That the trees put that book there. It's a track. What's that tree? No.
Ang panit.
No.
Maybe. Whatever. But what's the meaning I want to share you is same as what you give to me. That tractor.
Any kind of class in the society can track. But the teacher,
It can instruct, right? Instructor and teacher, what's the difference? What's the difference? You can answer that. You're watching for us, but you know the answer, so you can help us, right?
help me, not us. I know
Help
what.
us. Help us. What's the meaning of that? Teach and instruct. Who can answer that?
How many times that I told you?
You post out, shout out, and tell the truth
Tell the bellboy
behind this
to get
problem.
the
Okay.
bundle.
I'm holding a dictionary to
Yeah,
prove
correct.
on that. To prove on them that.
Tell the big boy.
Tell the bellboy.
Tell the big boy.
Bellboy.
Tell the big boy. That's the key.
Clean this area, right?
That is the bellboy, right?
This is a bellboy. He cleaned that area. Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at this video. Look.
Yeah.
Look. This video.
Easy lang na.
Namamurit na lang eh. Balasing la, balasing.
Siya mo na.
Yes, Tito.
Siya mo na. You don't understand why
Let
you're
Tito,
doing
let's see what the fact.
Do you understand the word that's coming up to my mouth?
You.
Diba? Siya mo na. That's yours. That's yours. Siya mo na. Yeah, I've already drink that.
Diba?
No.
Amen.
Diba na pare?
Solid.
Amen.
Amen. Yo.
Diba mo na, siya mo na.
Who are you watching about?
Go, siya mo na.
Who you are? This is what this video you can learn more a lot of words or a lot of meaning that you can learn. Look that cooking. Look that video. Please put that video there. Man, put that video there.
Okay, are you drunk?